Hi everyone, I'm teacher Andre from chrisamericas.com, where we help you level up and show the world the best version of yourself. Have you ever been so drawn into a story that the world around you simply fades away and you feel as though you're part of the story itself? This is the magic of storytelling, a craft that has captivated the minds and hearts of people since the beginning of time. The power of storytelling lies in its ability to transport us to new worlds, to explore new emotions, and to connect with characters we would have otherwise never met. Through storytelling, we can explore different perspectives, learn about different cultures, and gain insights on human experience. The English language is rich in diversity and history, which makes it ideal for storytelling. From Shakespearean plays to modern day novels, English has produced countless stories that have captured the imaginations of people from walks of all life. Whether you are reading a book, watching a movie, or listening to a podcast, storytelling has the ability to unlock our imaginations and connect us in ways that nothing else can. So the next time you find yourself lost in a story, take a moment to appreciate the power and the magic it holds. The power of English in storytelling. The English language is a remarkably rich and versatile language that provides a vast array of tools for writers to write complex and compelling stories. Its expansive vocabulary and global popularity makes it the perfect platform for writers to convey their messages and ideas all over the world. Moreover, English nuances, idioms, and linguistic diversity offers writers a wide range of options to explore themselves. One of the most prominent examples of the power of English in storytelling is the work of William Shakespeare. His writings are considered a masterpiece in English literature and have had a profound impact on English literature and language. Shakespeare's ability to capture the entire spectrum of human emotions, from love to tragedy, from comedy to despair, is a testament to the expressive power of the language. His plays and sonnets have been translated into countless languages and continue to be performed and studied worldwide, proving that the language's influence is truly global. This shows that the English language is a uniquely versatile tool for writers. Can you guess the name of my favorite childhood story? Let me give you a hint. Sleepy, grumpy, sneezy, dopey, bashful, dark. These are the 7 dwarfs which the beautiful princess met in the forest when she had to flee from her wicked stepmother, who wanted to kill her because she was jealous of the princess's beauty. The 7 dwarfs welcomed the princess into their home, and she lived with them while she helped them with their chores. They protected her from the evil queen. One day, a disguised old woman offered the princess a poison apple, which she took a bite of and fell into a deep sleep. The dwarfs were heartbroken and placed her into a crystal coffin. However, a handsome prince happened to fall in love with the beautiful princess. He happened to pass by the forest and kissed the princess, breaking the spell. The princess awakened and lived happily ever with the prince. Does this story sound familiar? Can you guess the name? Be sure to write your answer in the comment below. And don't forget to share the details about your favorite childhood story. We would all love to hear about it. Unlocking imagination through storytelling. Close your eyes and imagine a magical world where dragons soar through the skies with their scales glistening in the sunlight. Visualize brave knights setting out on quests of valor, fighting against powerful foes and overcoming incredible obstacles. Now, consider the role of English storytelling in this world. It doesn't just tell these captivating tales, but it also offers us an invitation to become a part of them. We can immerse ourselves in this world of magic and fantasy, exploring faraway lands and experiencing emotions we never knew existed. With every story we read or hear, we get to live 1,000 lives and meet inspiring characters. We can picture ourselves walking through enchanted forests, climbing towering mountains, and sailing across vast oceans. This immersive experience that English storytelling provides fuels for our creativity, and it pushes the boundaries of our imagination. It encourages us to think beyond the usual limits and helps us to unleash our hidden potential. Through storytelling, we can discover new perspectives, ideas, and different insights that can enrich our lives in countless ways. Building connections through stories. The art of storytelling is a universal language that transcends all barriers, including age, culture, and geography. Stories are a powerful tool that remind us of our shared humanity, highlighting our common hopes, fears, and dreams. They provide us with a glimpse into the experience of others, creating a sense of empathy and understanding. Sharing stories is a simple act that can forge connections with others, allowing us to relate to each other on a personal level. It's also a way of expressing ourselves, sharing our thoughts and emotions with others. Through storytelling, we can communicate our values and beliefs, our struggles and triumphs, and our joys and sorrows. In today's world, where technology and social media have made it easier to connect with others, storytelling has become more important than ever. It helps us to break down barriers, build bridges, and create a sense of community. By sharing our stories, we can inspire, educate, and entertain others, and in turn, be inspired, educated, and entertained by them. How to tell a good story in English. Crafting a truly captivating story in English is an art form that requires a combination of different elements working in harmony. One of the most important elements is a compelling plot that grabs the attention of the readers from the very beginning and keeps them hooked until the very end. The plot should be well structured with a clear beginning, middle, and end. It should be driven by an underlying conflict that creates tension and suspense throughout the narrative. Another key element of a great story is memorable characters. Your characters should be multidimensional, with unique personalities, backstories, and motivations that make them relatable and interesting to the reader. You can achieve this by giving your characters distinctive mannerisms and voices. You could also show the different ways they react in the situations you place them. In addition to plots and characters, vivid settings are also compulsory to creating a compelling story. Your setting should be described in rich detail with sensory language that allows the reader to experience the world you've created. This will help to immerse your audience into the story and to make them feel truly a part of it. To enhance your storytelling even further, it is important to focus on using descriptive language to create vivid images in the reader's mind. Varying your sentence structure can also help to build tension and suspense. This keeps your reader engaged and eager to keep on reading. Finally, pacing is also another crucial element of storytelling. You should aim to keep your story moving at a steady pace with peaks and valleys in the action that create a sense of momentum and excitement. By mastering pacing, you can ensure that your readers will remain invested. Remember, every word that you choose is like a brushstroke in the painting of your story. By carefully selecting your words and focusing on these key elements, you can truly create an unforgettable tale that will captivate and inspire your readers. The perfect spot for storytelling. In the tapestry of life, there are precious moments that shimmer like gems, beckoning us to pause and weave tales that echo through time. On such occasion is the gathering of loved ones, where stories become the threads that binds hearts together. In classrooms, stories transcend textbooks, painting vivid pictures that ignite curiosity and inspire learning. Under the canopy of stars, friends kindle bonfires of camaraderie, sharing tales of adventure and forging memories that endure. For lovers, every whispered tale is a love letter weaving the fabric of their shared past and future. Even in the boardrooms of businesses, stories wield the power to captivate, persuade, and drive visions forward. On birthdays, stories of childhood dreams and triumphs unfurl like banners of celebration, marking another year of growth. And in libraries, storytellers breathe life into books, transporting eager minds on fantastic journeys. In every chapter of life, from mundane to extraordinary, storytelling adds depth, meaning, and connection. For in the telling and listening, we discover just not tales, but the essence of who we are and the dreams we share. As we come to an end to this chapter of our journey, I want to remind you that storytelling is not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful educational tool, a way to build empathy, and a means of fostering creativity. In the English language, we have a rich tapestry of words that allows us to express ourselves in a way that can touch people's hearts and minds all over the world. Therefore, I challenge you to share your own stories. Let's continue to weave this global tapestry of tales together, unlocking boundless realms of imagination and forging connections that transcend the barriers between us. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you felt inspired, moved, or just entertained, don't hesitate to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more explorations into the power of words and stories. If you want to learn more, go to our website at chrisamericos.com. I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye everyone!